Hey guys, it's me, Renity. I am playing Adopt Me voice crack currently. But yeah, and I am here with my friend Alyssa.
Hello.
But she is not playing Adopt Me. She is playing Bloxburg. So yeah. I am planning to delete my house, if that makes sense. And getting a bigger house, maybe. I don't know. I'm gonna try deleting everything and I'll get money back. Okay, I know this was. I'm gonna sell the things that I bought and see what goes in. So far, I'm getting quite a lot of money. Not quite a lot, but yeah. This kitchen was at least $200. Only because the counters were pretty pricey. And I did add a lot of decoration. I'm only selling the things that I have bought with my money. Now the rest in here I did not buy with my money except for this. And this. And one bread. No, they were both the same. Okay, and the balloons I did buy. So far I'm getting quite a lot of money.
Comment down any of your favorite things that you like to play.
Yeah, if you ever feel like I'm playing one game way too much, or if it's getting too boring and it's way too much, and y'all losing interest, just let me know. I'll actually quit the game only for you guys. But I would actually still play, but I'll still play it, but I just wouldn't play it as much because y'all feel like that. And I do not friend lots of people, as you can see, because I don't want, like, let's say I friend one fan, I don't want the other fans to feel left out, because that wouldn't be cool. I only friend people I know. So far I got $1,000. Oh, the rest I did not. The rest it originally came with it. And here I did buy this. Okay, now I'm gonna be selling my house. Okay. Let's get this small house. And sell the gingerbread house. Okay. We can rebuy the gingerbread house, which I don't really want to. We can save it till the mansion, or we can save it to the futuristic house. I'm gonna save up with the futuristic house.
Comment down below if you love Alice.
Give you a shower. And we'll head our way to the Let's actually go get a gift. What will we get? What will we get? Finger crossed we get something good. Yay, we got a Christmas egg. Hopefully it's a robin because again, I'm doing a giveaway. Okay. Let's get the ice cream poke. So I'm gonna set a goal for y'all guys. Once I hit a certain amount of subscribers, I will do a face reveal. Maybe. But just so you know, I do look like this as my avatar right now. Just a little bit. Except I don't have long hair. I'm actually going to get a shorter haircut than what I have now, up to my neck. Soon. I think it's gonna be this weekend. I'm going to get a new haircut just before Christmas. So everyone in the house can see my beautiful thing. But yeah. Going back to the stables. Here. Hopefully we get something good out of the Christmas egg. If we get an Arctic reindeer, I will be dramatically surprised. But yeah, I'm planning, if I do get an Arctic reindeer, I'm planning to like try trading with someone for a frost dragon, because what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna try my best to get lots and lots of gingerbread before Christmas ends. The Christmas update ends, and get lots of gingerbread man, and get lots of eggs, and possibly get another Arctic reindeer. I mean, the possibilities are endless here. And
I have no clue why, but I just came up with this because I'm eating food. Comment down below what you're thinking.
And guys, maybe, just maybe, I'm not gonna promise it yet, but maybe, whenever I reach, let's say, 350 subscribers? Yeah, 350 subscribers, I will release my name. I will release my name? Yeah. No. Whenever we reach 350 subscribers, I will release all my friends' name. Whenever we reach 500 subscribers, I will release my name. And guys, if you want, you can comment down below. Try guessing my age. I do sound younger than what I actually am, though. I'm not lying. I actually sound younger than what I actually am, because I am not actually like this. Does that make sense? No, it doesn't. That's what I thought. Let's not use the baby formula out. Let's just use a sandwich and egg. That person got.
I think even if you get her age, I don't think she's ever gonna really tell the world. Like,
that person got an Arctic reindeer. So
what do you get me?
I actually really want an Arctic reindeer, like really bad. I'm not actually gonna accept this, because like this is actually a terrible trade. I'm just gonna go ice skating, even though I do not have gingerbread here. As you can see, I have $1,862. Yeah. And guys, I am gonna be doing a giveaway. If I do get a giveaway, in order to get the giveaway, you have to have in your name, you go to dress up right here on the top, right here. Put yourself as Poofy Hair Squad. Except mine's the leader because I'm the leader. And how you know it's actually me, my username is Diamond Lord. And my Christmas egg, I will always have my face this way, and I will always have my name Renity, and I always have it as Poofy Hair Leader in a certain copy and paste thing. I do talk a lot, don't I?
My house is going no longer. It looks like great.
Let's reset ourselves. We can go right to.
I like this barely. I like this working on it. Not even that long.
Go to sleep, go to sleep, go to sleep, wonderful Christmas Eve. Go to sleep, go to sleep, go to sleep, Christmas Eve. Sleepy, sleepy, tidy, tidy. Okay. I am very weird. And I am mostly cringy. So most of the videos that you watch from here in my YouTube channel is more than likely to be very cringy. It is okay if you say in the comments, so you heard nothing. You can say in the comment that Renity, you are very, very, very cringy. I'll be right back, microphone. I will put you on mute just for a second. Okay, I'm back. Sorry. Just had to tell her something, but that's normal, right? Everybody gets those problems. One more request from my egg, and I will get a pet. I don't know about you, but it's 10 p.m. I am sleepy. Obviously, I can have something because I'm poor. Let's see what I got. I mean, I can give the Fernic Fox, but I'm trying to collect stuff.
Most of the time,
I can give her
a video if I want to build a house because
say bells ring.
I have a habit of spending too much money.
Yeah. Say bells ring, and are you listening?
It wasn't even that big. It was $300,000. It had 3 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, a laundry room. Of course, it had 2 garages. They weren't even that big. It had a backyard which wasn't even complete, and it was 3.
What did I get? What did I get? I got a wolf. Okay, now that I have 4 wolves, I can possibly make a neon when I grow them out. Oh, I'm super tired, as you can see. Well, guys, I'm gonna go since we have found out what we got for the thing. And goodbye. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and if you want, I would appreciate if you put suggestions of what I should play in Roblox and stuff. And thank you so much. And bye. Love y'all.